Hello students, today we're going to color in some sweet bread or pan dulce onto our construction paper, and we're going to be using these stencils to color in the sweet bread pan dulce with oil pastels. Okay, so let's get started. You have the stencil and you are welcome to color in, like we could say 1, 2, 3 pan dulces, or you're welcome to do 1, 2, but we're also going to write a few sentences on our design, and we're going to write in what pan dulce reminds us of, or what memories does it bring. So we're going to need space to allow our text in our design, in our composition, in our layout. So I'm going to start by coloring 1 pan dulce here. I'll take a look if I want one here. And we might have 3. So let's take a look. So you could first place it wherever you would like to fit, or however you want to lay them out. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to get pink and start coloring in my pan dulce, the stencil. So we're going to color it in. And you could color it all the way in. I'm kind of leaving some spots open, and that's okay. To give it like this kind of look, so you could go ahead and color it all the way completely, but I am leaving some spots a little bit open, and I think that's okay. And keep going. So you don't want to lift it, you want to continue until you're completely done. So pan dulce, which is a pink concha. Also another word, it would be concha. You could also open up your pastel if you need to. So we're done with the pink one. I'm going to go ahead and lift it up. And there we have our first pink concha, which looks very nice. Okay. Now, like I mentioned, you walk up to do another one here. You could kind of start switching it around like that, and you could put a 3rd one here. It's up to you. So I think I'm going to go right here for my 2nd one. And then I'm going to, you can grab any color you want, but I think I'm going to go with brown. And again, if if you need to open up your oil pastels, you could. Okay, so I'm pressing down and try not to move it until I'm completely done. Like I said, I'm intentionally kind of not doing it all the way, like solid, leaving some spots uncolored. Okay, so I have the brown one, brown concha, and I'm gonna take it off now. It looks really great. It looks really nice. I'm gonna go on to my third one. You could kind of switch your stencils around. And this one you could pick any color you want. And I think I'm gonna go with my white one here. And you want to just start. And remember, I'm trying not to lift it up, okay? The stencil, I'm trying to keep it down while I color. If your oil pastel breaks, that's okay. You want to just keep going. Okay, you want to just keep going. Okay, so I think I have my white one ready. And I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up. And then I have my 3 conchas with my stencil right here. So I think it looks really good. Looks really nice. Now we are going to add text and 1 or 2 sentences of what Pan Dulce or sweetbread remind you of. So I'm gonna go start writing my text up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and you can grab any oil pastel you want. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my orange pastel and you can start writing your sentences anywhere you want. You could write them on the top, bottom, maybe around. Okay, you could do that too, which actually would be kind of nice to do that. So it's looking really good. Let's take a look here. Yeah, so I think that would be a good idea to write our text around our paper. Okay, so let me get started. So I got my paper here and I'm gonna start right here. So I'm gonna say my sentences. Pan Dulce reminds me of getting together with my family. So you can start moving it around. And then you can start, if you mess up a little bit, that's fine, you can erase it. So of reminds me of, and then I'll go over here. Getting together with my family. And then you want a second sentence. You could keep going with the same color, or you could go with a new one. I think I'm gonna change, and I might go with this kind of purple one right here. And I'm gonna also say it reminds me of cool weather. Keep going. Cool weather. And it also reminds me of cooler weather and good times. So I'm gonna go ahead and then we have our Pan Dulce with our sentences as well. I think these came out really great. For your sentences, you are welcome to add them anywhere you want on your paper. So if you wanted to do your sentences up here, like one sentence here, two sentences here, you're able to do that. So wherever you would like to add them. I think these came out really great. You're also welcome to add more details to your drawing. More details down here. Maybe like a cup of coffee, a cup of hot chocolate. That is completely up to you, and you are welcome to do that. So thank you, students. These came out really great. You did a good job with our stencil. Thank you.